Hi guys, welcome back. So today I want to make again the same experiment of the last time. So I am working with the leftovers, the metallic leftovers of the last straight pour, and I want to use two different pouring mediums. So the metallic ones are mixed with Floetrol and the base coat, which is again Amsterdam permanent blue violet. This is the consistency, is mixed with Max Meyer fiss'Up. I also have just a tiny bit of the emerald green and the sapphire, and I want to try to use all the colors. So Amsterdam permanent blue violet for the base coat, and for the pearl cells or whatever we will achieve, these are all Decoart Metallics and extreme sheen Decoart. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's pour some blue violet and now some pink tourmaline. This has just a tiny bit of Amsterdam reflex pink in the gold, extreme sheen in 24 karat gold. This is again extreme sheen in amethyst. Decoart Metallics in sapphire and emerald green. Let's pour. different from the last one. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so 30 minutes later, and this is the result. So very different from the last pour just with Floetrol, and I think this is better because in the last one the Floetrol let the metallic to move and react for hours, and with the Max Meyer fiss'Up I think this is the final result, because or maybe almost the final result, because with Max Meyer fiss'Up the pearls stay better. So this is Floetrol in the metallic paint and Max Meyer fiss'Up in the base coat. Not all Max Meyer fiss'Up. Too bad that I have just a few pearls in sapphire in here. I would like to have more, but this is maybe the next project. Also the emerald with the purple is very interesting. I had that idea to put the emerald with the purple, but I wasn't sure. Now I know that it's very, very cool. Okay, so guys, please let me know which one do you like the best. So if you like this or the last one just with Floetrol, so video number 96. Okay, thank you guys for being here. I wish you a wonderful day. I'll be waiting for you in the next video. Bye bye.